In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an online store with Ecwid in a complete walkthrough. Setting up an online store is an exciting way to launch a new business or expand an existing one into the online marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, Ecwid offers user-friendly tools to get your store up and running in no time. First, let's get started by heading over to the website editor. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to design and customize your site to reflect your brand's identity. It's always a good idea to spend some time in the editor, getting familiar with its features and layout. Now, click on the header and menu. This section is vital as it sets the navigation for your website. Here, you'll want to add your company logo for brand recognition. Don't forget to include buttons for easy access to different parts of your website. Consider adding buttons for the store, about page, and cart to make it user-friendly for your visitors. Next, move on to the cover and headline. This is essentially your store's main page, the face of your website. Here, you can make a strong first impression. Add pictures of the products you'll be selling. This is where you tell your brand story. The beauty of Ecwid is that every section is fully customizable. You can change images, colors, and text to match your brand effortlessly. Depending on your vision, you can keep it minimalistic with one page or create multiple pages to cover every aspect of your business. Now, let's talk about your product collection. This is where all your products are showcased. Take the time to upload high-quality images and detailed descriptions of your items to entice potential buyers. Make sure it's easy for customers to browse and find what they're looking for. Moving forward, you'll want to click on the About Us section. This is where you can add personal touches and share the story behind your company. A well-written About Us page helps build trust and connection with your customers, making them more inclined to support your business. Once that is done, head over to the Delivery Info section. Here, you will want to provide detailed information on how your products will reach your customers. Consider offering incentives like free shipping discounts for orders over a certain amount to boost sales. Transparency in shipping details enhances customer satisfaction. After setting up delivery information, it's crucial to add your contact details. The contact section is where customers can find your store's location and how to get in touch with you. Whether they have inquiries or issues, easy access to contact information reassures them that you're readily available to assist. Finally, explore the option to add additional sections. Ecwid's flexibility allows you to expand and customize your website beyond the basics. The more comprehensive and tailored your site is to your brand and customer needs, the more successful your store will become. And there you have it, a full walkthrough on creating your online store with Ecwid. Happy building, and I wish you much success in your online venture.